Adom TV so Adom TV so bejo dwuma die so dia wo kan se wo sempa sa kana no pen su jaw within the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudie crutch ba ko pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter Adom Mesin kunya ekono kwantin coordinates ma wodo sa kana no pen so e wo Ghana gudim ejaw chando so ma se nwumaku no emiensa omna abom skadwete me na no pen so ye den common eba 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is always better than saka wabomodianda always carry up modianda so sabitin aka 1xbet we try to be for and wouldn't be for trying to kuma bi adinu kuma sad manum nemo with betting there bet with money that you can afford to lose ike yira nya ya no ene edi twa bet na fe so kwa no wudi bet no so anu draw 90% of winnings nya sadia bet diwa adwene betia bomutim betia hyehyew wani betia ekọ bomodianda se obetia fa ho adwen unimru firi nwotwe so a emfa ho enje bet nemo we nyina achi no so try bet there a 1xbet better aboama boys 8 me edi bronya new year so 1xbet na anegu so edidi am nya financial freedom je fast message do tetafi infections related to gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di podroi eboa prapra wahrawa na omrebo ho e ma ultimate nchineche bomoden da so sabetin aka je fast na no kwesida no pabehwa dance here se only je fast can save bomoden da so sabetin aka bi okoheba shops and pharmaceutical shops dem a ebi elho Sedimo gel and roll-on, your ultimate pain relieving gel. So a cup pain, your DA, full pampas to be monacid so a Sedimo gel and roll-on, a little bit ye few, qua shaman may market and a fit a man so now. So to be a cotton as a auto now Odaya Hono, Obetia from one paying for 020-821-9129. Now on a Sedimo gel and roll-on. Entry and Como. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step. University and FA Cup third round. Sena matches in the Asia Koi. Oxford University for Transe. Emma Asna. Ekro Mekami and someone to me auntie. Na Bonia Koma. Eshesna Akensin. Isi Koi. Now, I can see a very interesting game. Arsenal forced 3 goals against Oxford United. Now, Yenko EFL Cup and also 2022 quarter final game. No, Manchester United and Charlton Athletic Bishes can have Newcastle United and Leicester City. And so, Elebebo so Yenko Italian Coppa Italia. Here, Sanema ACT Inter Milan. And so, Nepama Edia Case in Ebitia Bosso Ohonum. After my meeting to El Ghana in Kumum. Now, Ferguson and Yama ACT. The Black Galaxies of Ghana Medicaid was situated as Sinyamia Toma. Yeko Ogia him crew or Jesmeho and the African Nations Championship Trinity African channel Eko 10 times. So Ghana share preparations now say from Egypt and then Yebu Yakitima Copium or Ogia and Chibia Nessa case in the 18th South of Yamia Toma. Ghana first game on the 15th of January and the second case in the beating of Pemso Sabrino na ene Madagascar. Yoko PM or Gia no so then Kogwa Kinsi Bakwit 13 times to Sabrino na Nelson Mandela Stadium. Ewo Ogia no a stadium for cry ana omu ebia no Ogia Fortune Sunday Fair emianom e dey case in terms 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na 0-0 ene so nyame adom abroyi pomakuma a case in betia sato aso bi na fie hu se na hye no ebisi akọ Ghana chan team no ene Mozambique for na de ebebo so na bibia team sato mtrudu diam gide pass chan team no ebe Mozambique for Mozambique small e o sakins kesia eno so e baso no coach Anowoka Eden Kumu Hakra Eja. What regards to preparation so far?
Yes, it's a privilege for us to come to the tournament, and we are really prepared, and we're still preparing towards this tournament. And we are here to make, not to add up, but to make our chances clear. Much, and we are happy we've been where we were invited here, and we were welcomed well from our stepping our foot on the land of Algeria, and from the airport, the way we were received. We say thank you to all Algerians for receiving us and giving us this opportunity. Seriously, on our way coming, when I saw the stadium, I realized it's a big and a fantastic stadium built. And it's a privilege for us, like you asked, for us to be maybe the first team that is coming to play on.
And see, Coach Anowoka only kita the Black Galaxies of Ghana. Na man for Beka 2014 Ghana semi-finalist. Yene Libya. ena ehyiesi akan ye call final no petre saa se penalty nimbo na Libya for eye film 8 solid years ni film wotwe Ghana enko chane bi afina bro ipokoma ye san akobio a ye ko kire bobre ewo Gia Glassen Awako one has for captain or say captain edema the local blaster team from say the Black Galaxies no ono so chese sa tournament on beda mo hadi ewo kwanso nkoso.
I tried. I do my best to talk to few guys that I think they needed my advice. I think they needed my support. I tried to get close. I tried to talk to them to make sure I get them on their feet, also to get them on their level. So I'm doing all I can as a player and also as a captain to help my teammate as well. We are very motivated compared to. If you see how our big men, the management, how they've treated us, they make sure that whatever we need, they are doing it for us. They are there whenever we need something, or we call on them. They are there for us, and we, the players itself, we are well motivated because we don't need any motivation than to get on the field and do our work and also to make the nation proud. So this is the motivation that we can give to ourselves, being on the field and getting ourselves ready to showcase what we also have. We are very calm, we are very relaxed, and we are just waiting for that day to get on the pitch and make sure we make our nation proud, and each and everyone out there, make everyone proud to clean all the wrongs that happened or whatever didn't go well in the World Cup. We will make sure we will put smiles on the faces of Ghanaians. Yeah, I would say they should keep on with the support, their prayers, whatever they can do to help the team, they should do it back home, and we'll
the Glassen Awako captain for the Black Galaxies of Ghana Team Sampa Nkrashe sem de onobotoma na omo fi krum ha ne de na enya de a yetua omo qualification bonuses krade am but ni na no omo akusekusa no ana omo de akopiem ewo Gia ehwe se na nema besi akọ but quickly yenko Ghana Premier League nim na nano ada ana Accra Great Olympics oli gbogbo oli mashi oli nkozonkonso oli pieto oli juliju oli Rosalinda oli the city is coming too low womo ene kotoko editing time so Kumasi Babaya Sports Stadium na oli di kan share first go no him say yateka wie question na nema asia kwa 90 minutes na referee edit 10 minutes account or you see the officiating approach from the World Cup and ekoba say kotoko ebete kan na man ye 1-1 amanfo ntiase bisi sabri but ya preko awoye Accra Great Olympics coach no achechim say asa wohese na mesi kwa akensi ne koso no omrusu concentration na namso makotoko ebete sa kan ba ko eno pa ho a wohwe na sentima amanfo ekopi mo stadium a otim sampa enya nika kra nano ada wohwe yesi has akensi obo week 11 wohwe ni pa ba ya omse omunya 4700 ewo sa kesi $200 kra internet se enye ni kazi di nipa makro bia di sika we kelewele ofie but ya preko enkoma odija idi
from the G6 ma ba league no mo ye take you off you break you for World Cup no you buy no you must to sneak akra and you won't say no some of the players gone to the national team and some players were injured and everything. But against Kotoko, we were able to go back to basic, and we had, if anything, a bunch of players, and we work on whatever that we need to work on. We went to Kumasi, and I believe that my boy someone go Kumasi.
Muko Kumasi. You say as a game plan ewe kimamu mu take lead in I think the 47 something minutes na mo transina liter omobeti mutumi ye mo de o
anything there is lack of concentration because we spoke about it before team talk, we spoke about it you know how near Kotoko near when we are playing them the opportunity come and you don't punish them spirit in our they will come back into the game out of nothing. As equalize against us 5 minutes when you handle home, and it was a set pieces, set piece. So we spoke about it in the morning. We have to be very careful. Penalty beat my box no more, but we have to be very, 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 very vigilant. we were able to handle them 10 minutes no more there meaning baby omokofa see but at least na yemi no nyina na ebo and I was expecting my boys to finish it off especially ball like a boy chances are you create Kotoko had a bad day when you get them you have to make sure that if you are able to create chances especially with Kumasi against Mighty Kumasi Asante Kota, you should take your chances, or else it will come back to bite you, and exactly what happened.
Yes, the anticipation of death is worse than death itself. Muko Kumasi, na munim say mubeti in your game, fine say.
Oh yeah, because me research and me hear Kotoko no, but I mean say omu consider Kumasi, even though no mu winning matches, but no matter consider, and I know. I'm back near very slow, and I intentionally brought Ashikwe as a striker to take them on. The game plan really worked. We created chances, but unfortunately we just didn't take our chances. Because game plan is there. We decided the first half we were doing high. We're doing high, and when we were doing high, the Kotoko started going long balls. We're doing high pressing, and the Kotoko started going long balls. Then second half, and when we decided to do a medium pressing.
Yapre Kuya Rush, Air Cragate Olympics coach, a former Black Stars player, and our former Crass of Folk coach, and a Warden and Comoso 18 Seja F 11 Womo Echo Boy Kumase Babaya Sports. No, we do see another was say. Na masache opi hye no so mam sa fu imu de 1x bet betian sambo asesa osika hyebre honsem na amanyema atoyi edi amawo je fast mixture eno so won satimi kan betian bona fe sedimo gel and roll your ultimate pain relieving gel o madama wo mna techiri bo mena no penso dia o kensi honsem pan sakan etimi jawo within the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back open am of course evidence based presentation etimi jawo. The act of being a good guest is to know how to say goodbye.